Teka ha.
I have, ano to? I have chicharon, dinuguan with puto, Shanghai lumpia, barbecue, and chicharong Pilipinong may laman. And also, after that, we can eat the ubas and the atis. And where is my leche plan? Ay, wala dito. Nandun pa sa refrigerator. So, my 70,
57.
my 57th year. Yay! Enough! Toodaloo! Okay, maganda. Rewind mo, tingnan mo, ganda. Teka, baka naririnig dyan. Kinukuha mo pa lang nandito.